Now, let me warn you that this video might end up being slightly longish, longer than my 4 5 minute that I normally attempt a video to be. A lot of people tell me that itself is too long, you should make 15-second one. But I'm not doing it for shorts and those kind of engagement. You want to watch a general long chat or long rant, feel free. Otherwise, और भी दुख है ज़माने में मोहब्बत के सिवा. So this is a film which came in 2007. Not many people remember it. It's called Laga Chunri Mein Daag, The Journey of a Woman. It was a YRF film. I think they wanted to give an author-backed role for Rani Mukherjee because of obvious reasons which are obvious now. It is based on a Marathi film which came, I think, in 95. That was an NFDC film. It was called Doghi. Doghi means Hum Dono. It was about two sisters. Same thing like this. It was written by Sumitra Bhave. It was produced by Doordarshan and NFDC. Aditya Chopra took that idea and put in 50 crores. Took it to Switzerland, took it to Banaras, took it to Bombay, and made it larger than life. Increased the size of the role of the elder sister. I've seen both. Doghi is that typical NFDC kind of film which you have to kind of grind yourselves through. This is also a nice film. You can watch it. I'm not saying anything against it. The story idea is credited to Aditya Chopra. Now, why this is going to be long is because I use this line almost 3 times a day. Anytime I'm talking to my friends and they ask me something and I don't want to answer that, I use this line. Or rather, a form of that line. So basically, this is about a girl who lives in Benares and the family is in a tough situation financially. Her mother is working as a seamstress, as a tailor, and getting some little money. They have a large house, but they're not able to maintain it. The mother is played by Jaya Bachchan. Her younger sister is played by Konkona Sen Sharma. She's got to spend some money to educate herself. The family doesn't have the wherewithal. So she lands in Mumbai and she becomes what is known as a high society call girl. That is Rani Mukherjee, the elder sister. And then she starts supporting the family. The girl, younger girl, that is Konkona Sen Sharma, the younger sister, she gets educated, she gets a job, she falls in love with one of her colleagues, which is played by Kunal Kapoor. And towards the end of the film, at around 2 hours and 5 minutes, what happens is that the marriage is going to be held in Banaras. But before that, this girl has gone to Switzerland for a trademarks and patents conference in Switzerland. That's when, on the flight, for the first time, she meets Rohan Verma, who's a lawyer, a patents lawyer, who's Abhishek Bachchan. And they become close as the things go by. So Abhishek Bachchan turns out to be the elder brother of Kunal Kapoor. So he also comes there as a guest. Obviously, the elder brother of the Dulha, of the bridegroom, will come. And when he comes there, he proposes to Rani Mukherjee, who goes by the name of Vibhavari. When he proposes, she refuses to marry him and says, "Nahi Rohan, tum kuch nahi jante." Later he asks that, "Itni dosti to hai hum mein ki tum wajah bata sako." He's saying that you are refusing to marry me, but at least tell me what is the reason. At least we have that much of a bond of friendship between the two of us. And then comes this line which I use almost twice a day. इतनी दोस्ती नहीं है रोहन कि वजह बता सकूं. She's basically trying to say that he doesn't know that she's a corporate high society call girl, and that's why she can't tell him the reason why she's refusing. So the line is इतनी दोस्ती नहीं है रोहन कि वजह बता सकूं. And I slightly modify it and use it as इतनी दोस्ती नहीं हुई है. Whenever someone asks, अच्छा वो कौन था, वो क्या हुआ, or something like that. Who was the guy? I said, इतनी दोस्ती नहीं हुई है. In fact, my close friends now, I just say IDNH2. इतनी दोस्ती नहीं हुई है. That's all they understand. But the original line, which is written by Rekha Nigam. Rekha Nigam is credited with the screenplay and dialogues. The story is credited to Aditya Chopra, although the original story is written by Sumitra Bhave. Doghi is the original story on which it's a Marathi film on which it's based. It says, इतनी दोस्ती नहीं है रोहन कि वजह बता सकूं. The way I use it is, इतनी दोस्ती नहीं है और इतनी दोस्ती नहीं हुई है. IDNH2.